Real cash card game apps do not all work the same way. Some use skill-based competitions, while others use reward systems that let you earn points or prizes through gameplay. By the end, you'll know 5 popular card game apps, how each one works, and what to check before investing your time or money. The first app is Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash is built around competitive solitaire matches. Players compete against others with similar scores under the app's matchmaking system, and available contests follow the rules listed inside the app. If you're already comfortable with classic solitaire, this is usually one of the easiest skill-based games to learn. The second app is Solitaire Cube. Solitaire Cube also uses competitive solitaire gameplay. Instead of simply clearing cards, your score depends on speed, efficiency, and accuracy during each match. Check the contest details before entering because different competitions may have different formats. The third app is Bingo Cash. Although it's a bingo game instead of a traditional card game, it uses numbered cards in competitive matches, making it popular with players looking for cash-style competitions. Success depends on recognizing patterns quickly while maintaining accuracy throughout each round. Now, let's look at 2 more options. The fourth app is 21 Blitz. 21 Blitz combines blackjack mechanics with solitaire gameplay into a faster card experience. Instead of relying only on luck, players build points by making efficient card combinations within the game's rules. Learning the scoring system before entering competitions can improve your overall performance. The fifth app is PokerStars. PokerStars offers multiple poker formats for players depending on their region and local regulations. Available game types and real money features can vary by location, so check what's supported where you live before creating an account. Before choosing any cash card game, compare more than the game itself. Read the eligibility rules. Understand how withdrawals work. Review the entry requirements for competitions. Never assume every contest guarantees winnings, because outcomes depend on gameplay and the specific format. If you're completely new, spend time learning the mechanics before entering paid competitions whenever the app provides that option. That helps you understand scoring, controls, and match flow without unnecessary pressure. The key takeaway is simple. Solitaire Cash and Solitaire Cube focus on solitaire skills. Bingo Cash adds fast-paced pattern matching. 21 Blitz blends multiple card mechanics, and PokerStars centers on poker competition where available. Your next step is to download one app, explore its practice or introductory games if available, and learn its scoring system before joining higher-level competitions. If this guide helped you compare card games that pay real cash, like the video and subscribe for more money app reviews and tutorials.